Benny Kuriakose is well known for his fine ability to explore the architectural vocabulary through cost-effective technology that is appropriate in terms of the environment, climate, landscape, materials, techniques, idiom, and culture. The plan of the house is very open, in which the masonry is restricted only to the side which is facing away from the hills. The other three sides overlook the coffee plantations. The revitalization of Kottapura market had aimed at working together with the local community in restoring the lost elements and cultural aspects. The use of traditional elements such as roofs, courtyards, and verandas is appropriate.
I was interested in traditional buildings and the vernacular architecture, not the usual monumental style of architecture, because I thought there was a reason and logic in everything.
I'm very happy that you made such a beautiful traditional roof and this thing, and it was experience to me. And when I was seeing this thing, I thought about if somebody asked me, using your experience and the carpenter, I can make the most contemporary modern building which can beat anything in today's time.
The transition between the inside and outside of most of the buildings is gradual, and one gets the feeling of being partly inside while still feeling connected to the outside. Courtyards facilitate more natural light and better cross ventilation. Large openings, double roofs, jalis, and similar elements are used in an innovative way. The design of the disaster rehabilitation projects, such as Tranquebar and Purge, it was not just designing houses, but providing a settlement which would facilitate their upward mobility.
I try to look at the building from the user's point of view. If it is a school, the student's point of view, and if it is a hospital, the patient's point of view. I do not have a style of my own. I use different materials such as brick, both exposed and plastered, earth, stone, bamboo, Athamudi tiles, thatch and concrete, based on the availability and the context.
Timber is the most sustainable building material. It is reusable and renewable. Benny Kuriakose is involved in many conservation projects, amongst which the most important is the Muziris Heritage Project. Pallium Palace, Pallium Nagapattinam, and Paravur Synagogue are being converted into museums.
Our materials are different, our climate is different, our culture is also different. I think we should develop a sustainable architecture which suits the local context rather than following Western models. For achieving this, we need to learn from vernacular architecture.